What up? It's your girl B Sky. If you're new here, welcome. Hello. In today's video, we'll be doing a luxury collective haul. Now, I've gathered a bunch of pieces that I haven't worn over the past few weeks, even months, and I figured I'd share them with you guys since it's proven that you guys love luxury collective hauls. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep watching. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, so being that I haven't done one of these in a while, I figured I'd kick this little luxury collective haul off with a bang. Now, you know what it is when you see this black dust bag or a black box with white lettering, like, hello, yeah, get into it. Chanel, yes, Chanel. I think this is like such a collector's item. Like, in fact, my essay here called me and told me like, hey, we have this collector's item. I think it's right up your alley. You need it in your collection. I'm like, girl, I cannot spend no money. And she was just like, no, but you need it. So this is what it is. Ooh, this is kind of coming off, but this is what it looks like. It's a collar. The leather is so soft on it, and it has these like 2 CCs right here on the collar. And these connect to pearls, and they also connect to like the classic Chanel chain, like, you know, on the bags and the classic bags, it has the chain, and it connects to this like little purse situation, it looks like, but it's actually for your earpods. So I always lose my earpods, so like this is kind of perfect. Honestly, most people will just buy it because it looks so dope around your neck. I don't know if I'll actually use it, I might, but I just had to have it, and I'm just waiting for like the moment to wear it. Like, I kind of need to show you guys what it looks like on. Okay, so this is what the collar looks like on. It is lambskin leather, and it has these pearls that connect to a CC here and a CC here. And it is linked to, well, the collar is also linked to the Chanel chain. If you guys know, they use this chain on like everything. My AirPods fit in here, just like that. I'd probably style this like with something super simple, like a white button down, a black button down, a dress, like a white dress, maybe even like a tube dress, because this is a statement piece. So you can basically wear this with anything plain, but you gotta like let this stand out. So like I said, I'd wear this with like neutrals, white, black, cream. You could wear it with color now, don't get it twisted. You could like wear this with like a yellow button down or a red button down, but I really like it the way it is. Like, it's so good. This is basically like one of my favorite pieces of clothing or accessories that I always say accessories. It's my favorite luxury accessory, I'd say, one of them. So like, look at that. Very excited about this. For my essay to say that it is probably going to be a collector's item, I mean, just look at it. It already gives that. So I did good. It makes me feel really good about this purchase, because I told her, I was like, when she called me, I was like, oh, I don't have any business buying this, okay? I don't have any business spending money in Chanel right now. And she's like, no, I promise you, you need this, whatever. She got me. I got it for my birthday for myself. So get you a girl that can get her own gifts, okay? Anyways, the collar eats. On to the next one. Okay, so the next thing I got are these Reebok Maison Margiela sneakers. And I don't know if you guys can see the box. Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's got the numbers and then the Reebok logo here. And I don't know why I'm opening this standing up, but it's funny. These are called the Project Zero CL nylon sneakers by, well, Reebok, for Reebok by Maison Margiela, or yeah, the collab between Reebok and Maison Margiela. This is what the shoe looks like. So we all love the Tabis, right? Well, it's a Tabi Reebok. And these kind of stood out to me because I used to love Reeboks when I was a kid. Like, my mom would always have me in Reeboks. If you're from New York, you know. I mean, let me know if where you're from you wore Reebok back in the day. But I always had a pair of Reebok Classics, and they were brand new. Reeboks and Air Force Ones, those are my go-to sneakers, okay? Now that we've unboxed the shoe, here are both of them. I don't know if you can see, but you got the suede here. and then you have the nylon here. And because I have the Tabi shoes, I needed the Tabi sneakers too. Hello. Because I am a cozy girl for life and I love to be comfortable, and I just felt like I was gonna get a lot of wear out of them. So the guy in the store actually had them on. So it was a debate between the white and gray ones. They're like a white and gray, whitish nude. I don't know how to explain the color. Or these. And I'm iffy about black sneakers, but they convinced me to get these. Now I think these will be really, really cool to run around in, run errands in, to like wear with leggings, like even this. Let's try these on with this. I don't have my Tabi socks in front of me right now, but you definitely need the Tabi socks with these. And it's so crazy because I didn't love these shoes for like, I didn't love the Tabi silhouette for so long, and then I tried them on and I was like, oh, this is what I've been missing out on. Like I could have had these in my collection for all these years and I just slept, and I'm awake now because I want every pair of Tabi shoes there is. So how do you guys envision me styling them? Because I think that, like I said, you could wear them a bunch of different ways, and it's just kind of like a subtle flex. Like, yeah, I really do this fashion thing, but I'm not trying too hard. And I love that for me. So these were pretty affordable when it comes to Margiela, like all of their other shoes in their collection. These were priced a little bit lower. I think they were like $300, I'm not sure. But I will have it linked below if I can find them. They're probably on sale now, but again, this is what they look like. And I cannot wait to wear them. Don't know where, but yeah. So some of you guys might argue that this isn't luxury, but to me it is luxury, and I can't even keep it all the way together. Yeah, it's an UGG box. So inside are obviously Uggs. Here we have the platform UGG, okay? And I was super hype about these because, I mean, the girls that get it. Like, people have been fascinated with Uggs for a long time, me, myself being included. I've always loved Uggs. I wore them years ago. I will continue to wear them. I feel like I love this brand because they continue to reinvent themselves. I've also done like a campaign with them in the past, so seeing them come out with a platform, next level. Like, they were like, you know what? We're good on the classic silhouette. We've sold many units of this. We did the thing with slippers, but you know what? Now we gotta up it on you guys. We're gonna put out platform Uggs, and they did just that. So here are my platform Uggs. They go a little bit above your ankle. They come out in all the classic colors, but I was told that they were gonna stop releasing them until the fall. I could be wrong, I don't know. Little birdie told me. So I was like, I gotta have them. So this is what they look like. And I feel like they are so good. So good. Like, I still wear my other Uggs, like the ones that are like flat. I have them in chestnut, I have them in gray, and now I have them in this, like, I don't even know what you describe this green as. Let me look. By the way, they are referenced as the classic ultra mini platform Uggs. So I'm not seeing the color, but I'll have it linked below. They're like a green, and I'm thinking I'll wear these with some denim. I'll wear these with some like cargos, maybe some parachute pants, like the, ooh. If I don't want to wear a heel and I kind of want to be like, I'm not doing the most, but I'm doing enough, I'm gonna wear these, because these are gonna eat every time, and everybody knows what these are. Now, don't argue with me, argue with your mama. These are the most comfortable shoes I have ever experienced. One of the most comfortable pairs of shoes that I have ever experienced. So yes, the UGG, the classic UGG. I feel like it deserves like some close-up love. You got the UGG logo on the back. To me, comfort is luxury, and these bad boys are comfortable, okay? You can even see the plush. Like, do you see that plush? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think that, how do you guys think that I should style them? That's what I need to figure out, because like I said, I could probably wear them with denim and parachute pants, but like, what color scheme do you think would look good with these? pieces? Like, other than the obvious, like, what do you think? Because I think these are perfect also going into the spring season. Let me know. Okay, for the last order of business, we got something from, I flipped it around, the Frankie shop. It's kind of crazy because I feel like I learned about the Frankie shop, kind of noisy. I learned about the Frankie shop from my mom. She put me on. So shout out to my mom if she's watching this. She put me on and she's probably watching this. So mom, check it out. I bought it and I'm gonna try it so you don't have to. My mom wants one of these coats too. So I have a coat that I got a long time ago and I wear it all the time. It's a black leather trench. You guys have probably seen me in it a million times on Instagram or TikTok. Well, I got another one, just a different variation. So Frankie shop, you have the pieces, okay? Like great staple pieces. Like I love the cut of everything. I saw this jacket and it was sold out. And I was like, you know what? Let me put my name on the like notify me when it's available list, and they definitely notified me and I definitely got it. So this is what it looks like. I feel like I should try this on for you guys, but the quality, bomb. And literally you can, the lining on the inside, fire. I don't know what the lining is considered, but this is definitely gonna go, this jacket's definitely gonna fall to your ankle. It's kind of got padded shoulders, which we love. I love this like pleat here and this pleat here. I guess that's what you call it. That attaches to the collar. It has a belt here that goes through each hoop. And it has pockets. And to me, pockets are very important because the things I can't fit in my bag, I put in my pocket. So let me know what you guys think of this jacket. You can literally wear this jacket with anything, okay? Honestly, the jacket is the look. Like, you know how some people say, like, listen, my jacket is my outfit, I'm not taking it off. Yeah, this jacket is the outfit. A lot of times I don't take my jacket off. Like, I'm like, this is my outfit. And if the event is not giving, I don't take my jacket off because I'm like, I'm wearing this outfit again, probably a few days later. So just keeping it real, But I love this jacket. I want to know what you guys think. Would you get this jacket? Yes or no? Should I convince my mom to get it? Let me know. Mom, I know you're watching. Are you into it? Do you like how it fits? And how would you wear it? Like I said, you can wear it with anything. A dress. You can wear it with slacks. You can edge it up, and that's like one of the things I love. You could like go street style with it, or you could be super classy. You could be conservative, like you name it. So the options are endless. Even if you don't get this type of trench, get a trench. It will change the way your outfit looks on you. Or like, it's a game changer, basically. It's a game changer. I don't even know what I'm saying at this point. I'm just so thrilled because I just opened it with you guys. I didn't even know what it like looked like, what it actually looked like. So I'm thrilled. So again, I want to know your opinion. Let me show you guys a close up on what it's hitting for. Fire. Super fire. Okay, so the next thing I got was in a gifting, but they're so good I had to share them with you guys. I got these 2 bags by Rebecca Minkoff, and they're fire, okay? They are fire. I don't know which one I want to show you. Do I show you the black or the gold? Because I've been needing a gold bag for so long. Let's go with gold since I'm talking about it. I've been needing a gold bag for so long, and I think I found the one that I've been needing, the one that I've been missing. Like, this is so fire. How cute is this? It's like a little bucket bag, and it's got like these gold details. It links, you can link it on and off here. I don't know if you can see that. You can like literally wear it like this. And I feel like it'll fit so many things in here. Like I could probably fit like 4 iPhones in here, but being realistic, I would probably put my iPhone in here, my wallet, my Airpods, some lipstick, lip liner, and maybe like something to like powder up with. But yeah, this bag, so freaking good, like so good. A gold bag, bubble stud, small bucket bag in solid gold. That's what the description says. I have a pair of gold shoes that I'm gonna try and wear it with. The Jean Vito Rossi like gold sandals that I have. But I think that Tom Ford has that padlock heel, and I know they've been out for a while. I have them in silver, but the gold I think goes exactly with this bag. I love this bag. I cannot wait to wear it. But wait, hold up, wait a minute. Y'all thought I was finished? The black one. The black one is fire too. Like the black one is super clean. Black bag, bubble stud, and small bucket black. Fits the same thing. It's literally the same bag, but just in black. And I feel like this bag is just gorgeous. Quality, okay? So super, super happy about these. If you can, try and get both. All right, you guys, that about sums up this luxury collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed sharing all these items with you. Let me know which ones are your favorite and how you would style them, okay? Anyways, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to hang out with you again. Bye.